No wonder. Look at this idiot.
I was thinking I'm recording.
Hey, Ibrahim, remember this? Stupid, man. This is disgusting.
Dumbass! You wait, G Salman's recording. Yeah. Boy!
You.